Hi, my little baby petunias. So what we're gonna do today is review something new. Check this out. Yes, it's a BH Cosmetics gift set. We're gonna check out what's inside this box. This little card right here, you see in the back. So it has a card like this. Stellar Lash Mascara. We're gonna get to the good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Except for some, you hear that? That's just a little bit of glue that's on the back. BH, could we kind of tone it down a bit? Thanks. We're gonna take this baby out of the package. Then I'm gonna open it. These are so beautiful. I'm gonna have so much fun with these. So apparently, everybody's been saying that these are really pigmented. So we're about to find out on this palette right here. I'm gonna try probably a pink right here. Let's try that one. Excuse my nail. Hoping it's gonna look really good on my eyeball. We're gonna try the green and see what that looks like. We're gonna try it over here. You know, the only thing is that there is a little bit of fallout. So this right here, this is pretty cool. Now we're gonna try Take Me Back to Brazil. Rio edition. BH, look at this. Is this gum? Come on, BH. But yes, I love the packaging. This is really, really awesome. We're gonna go ahead and take this out of its little cocoon. Here it is. Look at that. This has some pretty cool colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch out this purple. Swatch right here. But it is like a metallic-y purple. I'm gonna go ahead and try this orange right there. Yes, that is really, really orangey. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out these 6 glitter. This is what they look like in the packaging. There are 6 of these in each box. This one is called Mermaid Mood. Mermaid Mood. So this is gonna be kind of like a mermaid mood, in a good mood or in a bad mood, in a sassy mood. I don't know, do you know? Look at this. This is almost like a pinkish. I don't know if you can see that. Awesome. Now we're gonna go on to glitter number 2. Amethyst, here we come. It's kind of hard to open the box. But the packaging is lovely. Lovely. This one is called Amethyst. I love it. Chameleon. That's gonna be cute. Let's see what glitter number 4 has to say. We are called Lit. This is so pretty. I'm gonna love this one. All right, glitter number 5. Shamrock, you're up in front. I just want to bathe in these glitters, oh my god. But that's just me. All right, glitter number 6. Spiced Pumpkin. It kind of looks like a pumpkin-y look. The way they named it makes me want to eat it. This is not intended for you to eat, guys. Wow. BH, you had me at hello makeup. I'm going to show you the Stellar Lash mascara. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up and this is what it looks like right here. You see, this is not sponsored in any kind of way, shape, or form. It was only about $45. I got a good deal and I am gonna have so much fun. BH Cosmetic. I don't even know what to do. I'm speechless. Look at all these glitters. Oh my god. I don't know about you, but I'm so freaking excited because I've been wanting this for a very long time. If you have any of these palettes or any of these glitters, let me know in the comments down below. If you like the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition or the other palette, let me know. I want to hear some boos, some buzz, whatever. I will see you guys later, and I love you, my little petunias.